Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we will discuss about structure of the C program. Structure of C program in the subject of PPS. The subject of the PPS. What is the meaning of structure? Okay, generally, if you see any product or any person or any bus, any vehicle, if you see, there will be some standard structure. Okay, if you without the structure it won't work properly, and the same as here also the Java C program or any programming language contains some structures. Here if you write a C program, what is the initial step we will write? Initially we will write the documentation section. What do you mean of documentation? It is the general information. Okay, general information, aim of the program or name of the programmer, like this. Okay, after that header files. What is the meaning of header files? Okay, if for example, if you write the header files at the bottom of the program, it will be execute? No. Okay, so here there is a general structure, there is some structure of the C program. We have to follow the structure of the C program. First I will explain what is the structure of the C program. First section is documentation section. Okay, what is documentation section? I will explain next. Okay, next one is header files, or we'll call it is a preprocessor or link section. It is the linking between programmer and header files, and header files is nothing but input output files. Okay, next is global declaration, and next one is the main function. Next, variable declaration. Next one is body of the program, and last one is the return statement. This is the structure of this C program. Okay, see here. Structure of the C program. We will discuss one by one. What is documentation? What is the meaning of documentation? A documentation is nothing but documentation contains what? It contains what? It contains general information of the program. Okay, what type of the program? It contains the general information of the program. General information of the program, like name of the programmer, okay, name of the goal or aim or title of the program, and what is the time of the date were created. Okay, like this, the general information of the program, general information will be placed in documentation section. It is will be like a comment section. Okay, here suppose if you open the program for after a long time, okay, by seeing this documentation section we can know what is the program, what is the program type, what is the program, what will the output will get, like that. Okay, that is called documentation section. Here the documentation we will use like as start some name. For example, I am writing here program name. Okay, sample.c, and after that star and colon. This is the documentation section. We will use documentation section like this. Okay, the second one is header files and preprocessor or linking section. What is the meaning of header files? Header files in this section in this section all the required files will be added to the program. Okay, what are the preprocessor files? What is the link? What is the header files? What is the files? What are the files we need to execute the program? Those all files will be added with programmer. For example, here we will add stdio.h. Generally, we will know what is the meaning of the stdio.h. It is nothing but standard input output file. It means standard input output file. Here in this one, what we will get? We'll write printf function and scanf function. What is the meaning of printf and scanf? The printf for output file, scanf is input file. Okay, these two functions will be inside the header declaration, and also standard library function std_h standard library function and string length function. These all are the inside of the header files or preprocessor. And in general terms, we have to say the header file section will be provide linking between program with input output file, program with input output devices. Okay, clear? The main is header files, preprocessor or linking section. It will provide the link between programmer and other input output files. Okay, clear? The next one is global declaration. What is the meaning of global declaration? See here, global declaration. What is the meaning of global declaration? Means when we use a variable inside the program, that should be declared early. That should be declared early is called global variable. Okay, global variables means whatever the variable we are declaring outside the main method is called global variable. Okay, if you declare a variable, when we declare a variable in a program, when we use a variable inside the program, should be declared early is called global variable. If you declare the outside the main function, we can use that variable enter the program. If you declare the main function, if you declare inside the main function, that will be used inside that function only. If you declare outside the main function, then we can use the variable entire the program. If you declare in this area, we have to use in this area only. If you declare the global variable outside the main function, then we can use enter the program. That is called global declarations. Okay, what are the things we have to use enter the program? We will declare them as the global. Okay, global means outside the main function. The next one is main function. What is the meaning of main function? What is the main function? What is the meaning of main function? Main function, it contains major part of the program. It is the major part of the program. It is the major part of the program. Our compiler also starts from here only. Okay, if you see the C program, it contains a lot of lines. But where is the main? From the main onwards, the program execution will be started. In this area only, the program will be executed. Okay, our compiler will start execution from the main function. For example, if you write void main of statement 1, statement 2. Okay, here this is the body of the program. This is the body of the program. The compiler will execute from here to here. This is the compiler executes. This part will be compiler executes. Okay, remaining all are the supported statements. Okay, clear? Next, variable declaration. What? Variable declaration. What is the meaning of variable declaration? We need to tell the compiler what we need to tell the compiler. We use some variables. What type of variables are numbers or alphabets storing in the data? Okay, what is the meaning of variable declaration? Means variable is nothing but it is a memory location which will store the data. Okay, clear? Next, here for example, in our program we record any numerical data, we have to take integer type. How to declare this? Okay, general in main method, inside the main method we are declared like this: int num1. Okay, this is the variable declaration inside the program. We will see what is the variable in next class. Okay, here it is the body of the programming, it is the variable declaration. Next, body of the program. Body of program. What is the body of the program? It contains major part of the program. It will be inside the main function. Major part of the program. It contains what? Major part of program. And next step is, it is the inside of main function only. Okay, the program will be written inside the main function only. If you write outside of the main function, the program will be not executed. Okay, so what is the body of the program? It contains the major part of the program. It will be inside the main function. Okay, what is example for main of int num equals to printf percentile d num1. Okay, it is num1. Okay, if you write like this, here what is the printf, what is the value here, num, that value will be printed, and the last statement is return statement. What is the last structure of the program is return. When user wants to return something with help of the return function, what is the function? Return function means with the help of the return statement, the user will be displayed the required output. Okay, how to declare this one means int main of, it is very example, return 0 like this. This is the example for return statement. Okay, clear about this one? Here, what is the structure of the C program? In the structure of the C program, we have several sections. What is the first section is documentation section. Second one is header file section or preprocess section or link section. Third one is global declaration, main function, variable declaration, body of the program, return section. These are the structure of the C program. If you write any C program, you have to follow this structure. Okay, and what is the C programming language? C is the structural language. What is the meaning of structural language means? We have to follow the set of rules to write the C program. Okay, we have to follow these rules to write C programs. Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Also, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.
నా ఛానల్ పేరు గుర్తుందిగా, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.